Dog food is a fundamental aspect of their health and well-being. Dogs are carnivorous animals, but they can adapt to a varied diet, including fruits, vegetables, and carbohydrates. However, the basis of their diet should be meat, which provides proteins, fats, and essential nutrients for their development. The viscera are also important, as they contain vitamins and minerals that benefit the functioning of the organs. The amount and frequency of feeding dogs depends on their age, size, and level of physical activity. In general, it is recommended that puppies eat 4 to 6 times a day, until they are 2 months old, and then reduce to 3 or 2 times a day, until they reach adulthood. Adult dogs should eat twice a day, at regular times and with portions suitable for their weight and energy needs. There are different types of food for dogs, such as dry food, wet food, and homemade diets. Each one has its advantages and disadvantages, and should be chosen according to the animal's preferences and health conditions. Dry food is practical, economical, and helps prevent tartar on teeth, but it must be of good quality and high in meat and low in cereals. Wet food is more palatable, hydrating, and easy to digest, but it can be more expensive and perishable. Homemade diets are natural, fresh, and personalized, but require care in the preparation and balancing of ingredients. Regardless of the type of food chosen, it is important to consult a veterinarian to advise on the best option for each dog, respecting their individual characteristics and avoiding nutritional excesses or deficiencies. Proper nutrition is essential to ensure the quality of life and longevity of our furry friends. Dogs are curious animals and often eat whatever they find in front of them, not knowing if it's good or bad for them. Therefore, it is important for owners to know which foods dogs cannot eat and which can cause health problems or even death for their four-legged friends. Some of the foods that dogs cannot eat are: garlic and onion contain substances that can cause hemolytic anemia, a serious disease that affects red blood cells and can lead to kidney failure. Chocolate contains theobromine, a stimulating substance that can cause intoxication in dogs, with symptoms such as vomiting, diarrhea, tachycardia, tremors, and seizures. Grapes and raisins contain an unknown toxin that can cause acute kidney failure in dogs, with symptoms such as lack of appetite, lethargy, vomiting, and diarrhea. Macadamia contains a toxin that can cause muscle paralysis in dogs, with symptoms such as weakness, pain, tremors, and difficulty walking. Avocado contains persin, a substance that can cause gastrointestinal and respiratory problems in dogs, such as vomiting, diarrhea, and difficulty breathing. Coffee, tea, and other drinks with caffeine. They contain xanthines, stimulating substances that can cause intoxication in dogs, with symptoms such as agitation, tachycardia, hypertension, and seizures. Artificial sweeteners, xylitol can cause hypoglycemia in dogs, a dangerous drop in blood sugar levels, with symptoms such as weakness, disorientation, seizures, and coma. Cooked bones. They can fragment and cause perforations or obstructions in the digestive tract of dogs, which can lead to internal bleeding or the need for surgery. Seeds and fruit pits may contain cyanide, a toxic substance that can affect the central nervous system of dogs and cause difficulty breathing and seizures. These are some of the foods that dogs cannot eat and that should be avoided at all costs. If your dog ingests any of these foods accidentally, see a veterinarian immediately. Remember that prevention is always the best medicine to ensure your pet's health and well-being.